we are FS-40 Factory since 2013. Today I want to show you our remote control stand fan FS-40-811R. Modern design and strong tie screw protects baby's finger from the injury. This is the left side of the fan. It is equipped with LED display and a remote control. 3 bits with 7.5 hours timer. Speed 1, Speed 2, and Speed 3. One angle oscillation from right to left. Up and down. It also has 3 modes: normal, natural, and sleek. Adjustable height. Enjoy full everywhere. Welcome to contact us FS-40 Factory for more details and price discounts.